for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Alright, YouTube, welcome back. Excuse my hair, just washed it. I'm getting ready to prep for this H.E.R concert. I'm so excited. I have so much I need to do, and I really should have started doing this stuff yesterday, but I'll be procrastinating. So here we are, last minute, trying to do my hair. I got my wig drying, so it's prepping. I'm gonna do a half up, half down hairstyle. I'm using a half wig, so yeah, I don't know how this gonna go. I think it's gonna go pretty good though, so we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna show y'all my whole little process, and yeah, y'all gonna go ahead and get ready with me for the H.E.R concert. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my hair. Since I'm doing a half up, half down, I'm going to part it off. I'm gonna braid the back down, and then I'm going to leave all of this out in the front, so that way I can pull it up. Actually, I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna come back. And if anybody wants to know how I'm doing this, I actually have another video where I did a similar hairstyle of how I do my braids in the back. So I'll really just throw a little card up there. Go ahead and click on it and y'all can see how I did that. But I'm gonna go ahead and prep my hair and then we'll be back. So I got the back braided. It's not neat because like it's going under a wig, so I don't really care. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry the top. That way it can be a little straight. The quick blow dry and I'm good. My hair dries fast. I'm gonna take some edge control and slick this baby up. Okay, now that that is done, I'm just gonna braid this down. And then we're just gonna wrap it around. Okay, now I'm gonna tie this down so that way it'll stay in place. And while it's tied down, that was so country. While it is tied down, I'm gonna get the rest of my stuff together. Okay, so we're gonna tie this down and let it just chillax for a little bit. Excuse my child in the background. He's watching cartoons and some other stuff, so if you hear little noises and whatnot, that's him. But y'all, way off topic, but I have been craving a hot pickle. Craving, like dreaming of a hot pickle, and I'm so happy. I have to eat some of it before I do anything.
That's so good.
So I let the scarf sit on there for a little bit just to get everything nice and laid and smooth. So now I'm gonna start with this hair on the top because I need to figure out I need to figure out how this is about to go. So this is the hair, the loose hair that I have. I'm gonna use some of this on top, and then I have my half wig, and this is gonna go in the back. it around. I twisted this up because I just needed to stay out of my way. But this band on this wig is really thin, so I'm just gonna tuck it. And then I'm gonna use the clips that are in here to clip it down to my hair. And it feels very secure, like doesn't feel like it's gonna move or go anywhere. But just to be safe, I'm gonna use a couple hairpins because I don't need to be losing my wig. Alright, so I want to wine curl this. I did, but I don't know. I might not, honestly. I might just keep it how it is. I was gonna wine curl the top part too. Okay, y'all. Yeah, this is definitely what I was going for. Definitely what I was going for. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wine curl it. Alrighty, so I'll be back. When I come back, we'll go ahead and do the curls. Yeah, I feel like I've been curling my hair forever. Like, I feel like I've been curling it for so long. That's why I hate curling my hair, because oh shit, this should be taking too long. Got the sides and the back curled. Now I just need to do the top. The concert starts at 7. I'm gonna meet my best friend at her house, and then we're gonna meet with her mom because her mom has the tickets. And by the time we do all that, like, basically what I'm saying is I need to leave the house early because it's almost 4. It's almost 4. And I'm pushing it. I'm really pushing it. See, that's my problem. I be procrastinating. Because really, I could have did some of this stuff yesterday and then been ready. But no, not me. Not me. I had to procrastinate. Y'all, he does it every time I try to record a video. Anyway, like I was saying, I could have did some of this stuff yesterday, but no. Wanted to procrastinate, and here we are rushing. Alright, my hair is done. Curls are popping. I think it's cute. Now I just need to do my makeup. Alright, let me get my eyebrows done. I'm not gonna talk much because obviously I'm in a hurry. But I still want y'all to see how I'm about to literally glow the fuck up. Like, my hair is about to be done. I'm about to put on my cute ass outfit. Like, everything's about to be cute for this concert. And I'll even try to get a couple clips of the concert too. Alrighty, y'all, I am done with my makeup and my hair, period. So now I'm about to go ahead and put my clothes on. Okay, let me stop trying to be cute. I love gold. Yeah, I'm so upset I lost my dermal. And I know where it went. Y'all see the little stud? This jewel came out and I don't know where it went. And I'm so salty about that. These little cuff earrings that you can wear. So I'm gonna put a couple of these on. I mean, honestly, you're not gonna be able to see it because my hair is covering up, but still, I know it's there. That's all that matters, right? That's all that matters. As long as I know it's there, then like, who need to see it? So I don't have a body mirror down here, so honestly, this whole video is my mirror at the moment. Y'all are my mirror. Yeah, and I'm not gonna wear this unless like I really get cold and I need to. But if I get to that point, I will put it on. I just seen that girl on TikTok. She be like, put it the fuck on. I love her. I need her confidence. For my hair, I just want to run my fingers through it. That's all it needs is a little whoop, whoop, whoop. Run little fingers through. Y'all, I love her. I don't think y'all understand how excited I am about this concert. Me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? I'm so excited. Put some of my Dior on. I don't know if I should put too much because this concert's outside and I ain't trying to get stung by bees. Honestly, I think I'm allergic to bees. I come on here looking like a blowfish. Y'all know why. I don't want none of those problems. Got some cute little wedges. This concert's outside, so I don't want to be uncomfortable. Oh man, I hate trying to buckle my shoes. Hold on. Somebody come buckle my shoe. I need help. Somebody come help me. I'm stuck. Yes, hunty. Period. Okay, I'll be back. I gotta make a TikTok real quick. When I'm done my TikTok, I'll be back. And I'm actually gonna put a little clip of my TikTok in here without the music because obviously I don't want copyright claim. But I'm gonna show y'all my TikTok. I'll be right back. And just let y'all know how much of a bad bitch I am real quick. No, I'm just playing. But I'm getting ready for this H.E.R concert and I am feeling kind of cute. So, you know, had to come show off. Okay, I'm back. I am dressed. I'm about to put on my jacket. I'm about to head out to my best friend's house so that way we can get the move on. The concert starts at 7, but of course we have to make time to take pictures. That's a given. I'm gonna try to put a couple clips of the concert in here if I can.
If we on the run, nothing matters what we want to find. Looking at us cause we going on the same way, same way. Come on, so she working for me.
guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to join my growing family. I am so close to being monetized, y'all. I need what, like 200, 300 more subscribers? I think 300 more. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's just not far from reach. So please support, assist, and hit subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. And thank you guys so much for watching.